It's a creature so strange, early scientists thought it was a rodent. It's so elusive, many think it's a myth. But it's very real, and it's listening for its dinner. Meet the eye. It looks like nature assembled it from spare parts. Bad ears, rodent teeth, a witch's finger. This finger isn't for grabbing. It's a finely tuned, biological instrument. And right now, it's tapping. It's using percussive foraging. Like a sonar technician, it taps and listens for the hollow echo of a grub chewing a tunnel. Its brain is mapping the wood in sound. This finger has a ball and socket joint, like your hip. It can swivel in any direction to fish out a meal from impossible nooks. In a land with no woodpeckers, this primate evolved to become one. It didn't just find an ecological niche, it built a new toolkit out of its own body. It shows us that genius in nature can be a strange, specific, and wildly unexpected kind of cleverness.